One of the commonest reason for the shoulder pain is weakness of rotator cuff muscles. You may have pain by the side of the neck, which is again due to weak shoulder muscles, which puts extra stress over the neck muscles. Good thing is that you can do some basic and simple exercises to treat this pain. I will tell you some of the simple and basic exercises of the shoulder, that is scapula stabilization exercise and rotator cuff strengthening exercise. As the name suggests, this scapular stabilization is just to stabilize the scapula or the shoulder blade on the chest wall. When this scapula or the shoulder blade is not stabilized on your chest wall, you cannot do proper movement of the shoulder. First exercise is in sitting position. You have to bring both the shoulder at the back and hold it here for 10 seconds. Come forward. So you have to take care that your shoulder should not go up, it has to go at the back. So you have to bring both the shoulder blade, come closer, it should come closer. Forward. You have to repeat it 10 times. Hold it here and come forward. You have to maintain eye position in lying down position. You have to lie down on your stomach. Keep your hands in front and your thumbs up. Lift your thumbs with elbow straight. Hold it here for 10 seconds and then bring it down. Bring it up and bring it down. Hold at the upper position for 10 seconds. Bring it up. Hold it here and down. Next is you have to maintain T position. Lift your both the hands up, keeping your elbow straight and thumbs up. Lift it to the maximum position. Hold it here for 10 seconds and bring it down. Up, hold it for 10 seconds and bring it down. Next is V. You have to maintain V position. Keep your elbow straight, thumbs up and pull it up. Hold it for 10 seconds and then bring it down. Bring it up, hold here for 10 seconds and bring it down. Now you have to maintain position of W with elbow at right angle and palm facing towards the surface. Lift your elbow and hand both sides. Hold it here for 10 seconds and bring it down. Bring it up. You have to bring your shoulder, both the shoulder blades close to each other and hold it here for the maximum time and then bring it down. This is a scapular stabilization exercise with TheraBand. You can tie the TheraBand to one end and you have to hold both the ends of TheraBand with your hand. Keep your elbow straight, be straight and just pull it towards your side. You have to pull it from your shoulder, not from your elbow, and take care, you have to try to keep it as straight as possible so that force is applied at the level of shoulder. Hold it here for 10 seconds. Hold it here for 10 seconds, then release. Bring it back, hold it here for 10 seconds, relax. Next is external rotation exercise. This is for infraspinatus and teres minor. External rotation means you have to rotate the shoulder and this rotation should be at the level of shoulder. You don't have to lift your elbow from the chest wall. So how you can do that? You can put a piece of paper, this is here and this is here, so that you don't lift your elbow from the chest wall. Now rotate it externally. Bring it closer. You have to take care that this TheraBand should be at the level of wrist, not at the level of hand, otherwise your hand muscles will be working. So you put this TheraBand at the level of wrist. Now rotate it externally. Good. Bring it closer. Next is internal rotation exercise for the shoulder. You have to take care that this rotation has to be at the level of shoulder. You can put a piece of paper here so that you don't lift your elbow from the chest wall. You can use this TheraBand at the level of wrist. Be careful, it has to be at the level of wrist, not in the hand. Now rotate internally. Hold it here for 10 seconds. Bring it back. Rotate. Hold it here for 10 seconds. Bring it back. Next is forward flexion exercises. You can use a TheraBand. You can tie this TheraBand around your wrist and hold it with the hand. You can press it with your foot and lift it forward. Bring it down. Bring it up. Hold here for 10 seconds. Then bring it down. This is very important, especially in post-operative patients who needs strengthening of their shoulder muscles. Next is abduction exercises. You can press this TheraBand under your feet and tie this around your wrist. Lift by the side of your body. Lift it up and then you can do as much as you can depending on the strength of your muscles and depending on the tolerance. Bring it down. Next is rowing exercise. Maintain the position of TheraBand in this posture. Now you have to pull the TheraBand towards your side. Pull it. Hold here for 10 seconds. Bring it back. Again pull it. Hold here for 10 seconds. Bring it back. You have seen some of the basic scapular stabilization exercise and the cuff strengthening exercises. You should always be in touch with your doctor and your physical therapist for the optimal result.